Mint is great in all sorts of dishes, love it with new potatoes of course. It's a perennial, so it dies down in the autumn, and by this time of the year my pot mints are starting to look a little bit straggly. We've been picking off them all through the summer, but if you want one last attempt at getting some fresh mint through the autumn, you can take cuttings now, and it's really easy. You need a small pot of compost, you need to take some very short cuttings, and these are so simple to take. I'm literally just taking a shoot off there, I'm taking off the lower leaves, trimming it below a leaf, make a little hole with your finger in the compost and just dib a few cuttings around the edge of the pot. And if you put about 4 or 5 cuttings around the edge of that pot and then give it a drink of water to get it nice and moist, pop that onto your kitchen windowsill and keep them somewhere shady, not in a sunny position. Literally within a couple of weeks they will have rooted and you'll get lovely bushy mint plants that you can use right the way through October and November, fresh from your garden.